In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Cloud Project ID using the Google Cloud Console's web interface. Whether you're setting up a new cloud service or making changes to an existing one, knowing your project ID is crucial as it uniquely identifies your Google Cloud projects. So, let's dive in and ensure you can locate it with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Your account login details should suffice, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Google Cloud Console. The interface is designed to give you access to various services and tools that Google Cloud offers, but today, our focus is on pinpointing that project ID. The next thing you'll want to do is look to the top of your screen. There, you'll see a prominent bar running across the top. This bar is integral to navigating your Google Cloud projects. You'll see an option that typically looks like a drop-down menu, labeled as the Project Selector. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a list of all the projects currently associated with your account. Now, here comes the crucial part. As you click the Project Selector drop-down, it will expand and display not just the names of each project, but also the project IDs. This is conveniently placed to the side or beneath the project name, so you have all the information you need at a glance. Skim through the list to find the particular project you're interested in. It's almost always listed alphabetically, making your search that bit easier. For those who prefer a closer look, select any project from the drop-down, and you'll be taken to that project's info or dashboard page. This page provides more detailed insights about the project. Right there on the project info page, you'll find the project ID showcased prominently, alongside other relevant details such as the project name and project number. Having these details visible in one spot not only validates the project ID you've noted, but also gives you a broader context of your project setup. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to retrieve your Google Cloud Project ID, utilizing the Google Cloud Console's web interface. This method ensures that you have the necessary information for further configurations or adjustments. Remember, this ID is vital for service integrations and API management, so keep it handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes accessing your project ID straightforward and hassle-free.